Hey everyone, today we're hanging out at 711 6th Avenue right here in Brookings. I know I keep saying this a lot, but this location is tough to beat. Come and check it out for yourself. You're just blocks from South Dakota State University, so whether you're a student, a diehard Jackrabbit fan, or just love the energy of campus life, it's all right here. Imagine walking to games at Dana J. Dykhouse Stadium, grabbing a coffee before class, or meeting up with friends at one of the local spots downtown, all within minutes of your front door. Brookings is known for its small town charm with big town perks. You've got great restaurants, shops, parks, and community events happening year-round. Living here means you're not just buying a house, you're stepping into the heartbeat of Brookings. Now let's talk about the home. Inside, you'll find 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and over 1,000 finished square feet, with some fresh paint giving it a nice, updated vibe. Outside, you've got a 3-stall detached garage with alley access. Perfect for cars, bikes, or tailgate gear. Whether you're looking for your first home or a solid investment, this one is ready to go. So what do you think? 711 6th Avenue puts you right in the middle of everything that Brookings has to offer. If you'd like to take a closer look, give a Brookings Home Team agent a call today. Until then, I'll see you at the next Jackrabbits game. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.